I'm showing off here a kit for making a droid lamp. So this is a protocol droid right leg. There's the thighs, the right foot, knee discs, piston parts, the dome, all the different lenses you need, the clear material for making the lens backings, laser cut lenses, the emitters, 3 clear cast emitter lenses, and the transparencies, and some scrap plastic for adjusting the thigh. These Logic Box lenses have tiny 1mm holes laser cut into them, and that is for installing 1mm fiber optic. There is the full Droid Lamp Kit part set. Make sure that you like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.